Hi guys, it's a special collab edition of Heather Made Her Art with Sandra Lett. Sandra Lett is a very special artist. She's been doing art for 20 years professionally, and her and I have done some amazing collabs, including this peacock. There's prints available of this one if you're interested, and this harmonious melody painting. Prints are also available at heathermadeherart.com. If you are interested, you have to visit Sandra's channel on YouTube. She's on Instagram, Facebook, and all social media. Check her out. I want to say thank you so much to my patrons for your support, and I mean that from the bottom of my heart. I'm not just saying it. Truthfully, it's because of your shopping in my Amazon shop and your tips that keep this channel going. Thank you so much for all you do. Now I'm using some Pearl alcohol ink on this one. The links to supplies are in the description box if you're curious, and this is a 16 by 20 canvas that's been painted black. So you can see I'm just using my airbrush to kind of push this Pearl alcohol ink around. And this is sped up quite a bit, so if you're interested in seeing it slower, I do have a similar technique that I just published, this beautiful alcohol ink bloom on graphics paper. Isn't that a pretty flower? And that's the video right before this. I'll try to link to it right here for you. But it's the same exact technique, but if you haven't checked out the video, you should check it out. It's really pretty. So it's basically the same type of thing, although here I'm focused on doing some long lines, and I still am trying to create that depth and movement, but I really want to try to create something that looks like coral, and this is something that Sandra and I had talked about doing, so I can't wait to show you what Sandra does with this painting. It is so magical. She has such a vivid imagination, and I love her artistry. It's really exciting to see someone so talented elevate your paintings to another level, and I aspire to be like her someday. I'm gonna keep practicing and trying. So I just want to say thank you so much again for joining us today, and I hope you have a beautiful day. Please stick around to see what Sandra does with this beautiful piece of coral. Again, if you like this channel, please support it with a tip in the tip jar, and that is in the description box. Thank you so much.
Okay, I am finished. I totally forgot that you were zoomed in for the fish part, and so you didn't see the bottom, you know, probably above the fish. I'm so sorry about that. I got totally into what I was doing and didn't even look at the camera. But this is going to be sealed with a glossy finish because it will make everything just really pop. But I wanted you to see the shimmer on the fins. There's shimmer in the stuff that she did with the alcohol inks. Then I added the 24 karat gold, and there's iridescent and pearlized paint on the fins, and I added some metallic gold in the little bit of seaweed on the side there. The bubbles are so much fun. So here is the painting, and of course it will be available to purchase. This one is a 16 by 20. We will put our emails at the end of the video to contact us for purchase. If you're on Facebook, you can message Heather Mader or Sandra Lett. You can comment below the video if you're interested as well. So I hope you enjoyed watching it, and this will we'll have to come up with a really special name for it. I'm sure we'll get it before we post the video. So thank you so much for watching, and we love you all. Take care. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit all notifications so I can make more art videos just for you.